everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. Today we will continue in the same chapter, chapter number 8. In the previous lecture we had discussed the above activity and we had already discussed the parts of the circle. Now we will continue in this chapter. Here, look at here is a monkey where there is a call out. The length of the rope is equal to the length of the radius of a circle. राइट वो जो रोप यहाँ पे यूज किया था which is the that length is equal to the radius of the circle. As we had discussed earlier, radius is a line segment whose one end point is at the center of the circle, whereas the other end point lies on the circumference of the circle, right? So that is the radius. What was the radius of the smallest circle? It is up to us. Fine. Now turn your page. Here draw the radius of the bangle using a ruler and measure the length of the radius. Okay, यहाँ पर ये एक bangle है and we have to draw the radius of the circle. So I am going to draw a one line from the center to the circumference, which becomes the radius of the circle. Now I'm going to measure that part. I'm going to show you. Look at here. I'm going to show you. That's 1.5. See. Here is a center and here is the, look at here. It's 1.5. So now measure the length and draw the radius of the circle. यही radius का circle आपको draw करना है, which is quite easy. For that, as I told you, we have to use the compass, and where in which you have to put one pencil and tighten it, but make sure the level of the tip of the pencil and tip of the needle is at the same level, right? So यहाँ पर हम क्या करेंगे? We are taking the radius of 1.5. See, look at here, and it is exactly 1.5. Fine. Now you are going to draw this circle. Just you have to hold the compass from the top. यहाँ top से आपको hold करना है, and then you are going to draw a circle. But make sure ये जो tip है वो वही place पे होना चाहिए. It should not be moved. Yes, it happens every time with you as well. Okay, so this is the way we are getting the circle of radius 1.5 centimeter, whereas the needle point is the center of the circle. Fine. Now guess which circle has the longer radius. Okay, the bigger circle has a longer radius. Answer is big circle. Okay, because radius जितना बड़ा होता है circle उतना बड़ा होता जाता है. Now measure the radius of both the circle using the ruler. Okay, so here we are starting measuring the, so look at here, here is a 0.9. Okay, ये radius है 0.9 and here is 1.4, exact 1.4. Fine. So we are measuring both the radius. The radius of the green circle is 0.9 and the radius of the blue circle is 1.4. Now look at the next. Find out, measure the radius of the wheels of a bicycle or a block cart. You can measure, you can use a thread or measuring tape, right? See, as I told you, both the things are quite big. For a big thing, we are using the different measurement tapes. Fine. So मैंने guess लगाया, the block cart is quite bigger and the cycle wheel is also quite bigger. So it is around 12 inches and 20 inches. So next question is, are all the wheels of the cycle or block cart of the same radius? So definitely the answer is yes. If the radius are different, then the sizes of the circles are also different. So if we are having the different size of the wheel in a cycle, we cannot drive it properly. So we cannot drive the block cart properly. So it is compulsory to be same size of the wheel, right? And next is, have you seen a tractor or road roller? Yes, definitely I have seen that. And which is the biggest wheel you have ever seen? So that's the merry-go-round I have ever seen. We'll find out in a fun fair. Okay, so are all the wheels of the tractor or road roller of the same radius? So the answer is wrong. The back side of the wheel is bigger, and whereas the front side of the wheel is smaller. So this is the way we'll find out in a tractor as well as road roller. Now look at the next page, page number 87, where you will find out the next question. Lali and Kali are tied to a pole with a rope, and Kali has a longer rope. Who can look for more grass to eat? Okay, look at here. Here is a pole, and where the Lali and Kali has been tied by someone, and Lali has a longer rope, right? So Kali has a longer rope, so she can look more for the grass. As the length, see, here is a center. That pole is behave as a center, and this the length of the rope is behave as a radius. तो जहाँ पे रेडियस ज़्यादा होगा उतना उसको ज़्यादा सरकमफ्रेंस मिलेगा, राइट, एंड प्ले एरिया भी मिलेगा. बट वेयर एज द लाली हैज़ अ shorter length of the rope, so it doesn't get the space like a Kali. So Kali find more grass to eat. Now Daljit's design. Daljit has made this design using a compass, right? Using the compass, he made all these designs, right? His sister came and started making more design with him. वो भी आई और उसने भी ऐसे designs बनाना start करे. These all the designs are made with the compass. Do you want to make such designs? To make such design, you will need to use a compass. Now, turn your page. How to use a compass, right? Using a compass, have you seen a compass before, and how will you use this to make a circle? Okay, open your compass. तो first of all उसका बिल्कुल एक method है उसको set करने का. See, I have opened it. So that screw will be open, and then you will it will be filled with the pencil. Okay, make sure, as I told you before, the tip of the pencil as well as the tip of the needle would be at the same level. वो same level पे होनी चाहिए. तो आप कैसे करोगे? ऐसे. And then you will tighten the screw. See? Now I have tied it properly. Right? See? The levels are at equal. And press the tip of the compass on the paper. Open your compass, press the tip of the compass on the paper, hold the compass from the top. Here you have to hold the compass from the top, not from here. You are not going to draw the circle like this, right? What will if you're drawing like this, there will be a chance of changing the radius. जो आपने यहाँ पे radius adjust किया है, वो change होने का chances होगा. So that's why. And without moving a tip, try to move the pencil around. And do you get a circle? Yes, definitely we will get the circle. Look at here. I'm going to just show you. See, as I told you, the tip of the pencil would be the similar. ऐसे ऊपर से press करके रखो. So it would be at the equal level. Fine. Now look at here. I'm taking the random radius and just ऊपर से पकड़ के उसको ऐसे round घुमाओ. See, you are getting the circle. Fine. Next, look at the mark where you had kept the tip of the compass. जहाँ पे हमने compass का tip रखा है, you have to look at that mark. That mark is called the center of your circle. Fine. Is this circle better than the ones you have made earlier without compass? And draw the radius of this circle and measure it. Yes, this one is the better than the circle which we have made with our hand. And the radius of the circle is, look at here. We are going to measure it. this is around 1.6. The radius is 1.6 centimeter. ठीक है. Now you can make your own design like Daljit had made. And how many did you make? Okay, you can also make make a similar kind of design like Daljit and his sister has made, and you will show me. Next, guess how this design has been made. Use a compass to make a similar one in the box. तो यहाँ पे आपको ये सर्कल बनाना है. So what will you do? First of all, आपको क्या करना है? For this design, what will you do? You will take the measurement, okay? You will make a circle of 2 centimeter diameter. 2 centimeter diameter is the double the radius. So the radius is 2 centimeter, right? So 2 centimeter radius का हम एक circle बनाएंगे, and then here you will get the 2 radius, right? So what will you do? On this radius you will point the 1 centimeter, right? And from the 1 centimeter, then afterward you will take the radius of the 1 centimeter and make 2 circles like this, right? यहाँ पे ऐसे 1 centimeter पे point करके you will make 2 circles. Now from this, what will you do? You will erase the rest of the things like this, and you will get the perfect circular shape just like the given figure. Okay, try it by yourself using the different radius and the diameter. Now look at the next page. Here, is it a circle? Naina was making a circle. Ravi asked her for an eraser, and she kept her compass and gave him the eraser. Then she started again to complete her circle, but she got this. Okay, so look at here, she started from here. Now this one is the little bit nicer circle, but once after giving the eraser, she changed the center of the circle, right? She changed the place of the needle, so the circle will also be changed. Okay, so that's why whenever we are drawing the circle, our center should be the same. It should not be the change. Otherwise, you will not get the perfect circle like this. If you want any perfect circle, you need not to change the center of the circle. Next, why did Naina get such drawing and discuss? ऐसा क्यों हुआ? As I told you that she has changed the center of the circle. Can a circle have more than one center? No, only one. A circle has only one center, right? एक ही center होता है. We will not get more than one center. Another day, Naina was using a compass to make a circle, but it comes out like this. Again ये ऐसा हुआ. क्यों हुआ? Because Naina did not hold it from the tip. उसने वो टिप से होल्ड नहीं किया था. That's why. Okay, did any one of you ever get a shape like this, Naina? Yes, definitely. When we are beginners with the compass, right, we used to get this kind of circles because we don't know how to use it. After practicing a lot, we will get the special perfect circle using the compass, right? So, oh, the screw of the compass is loose, and let me tighten it. And now my compass will not slip. यहाँ पे क्या हो गया था? इसका स्क्रू इतना लूज हो गया था, तो उसको टाइट करोगे then it will be stiff. Otherwise वो ऐसे हिलता डुलता रहता है. ठीक है? So you have to better take care of this too. Now look at the next page, page number 90, where you will find out this. Here there are some dialogues between the two. Find the center. Sadiq and Samina wants to make a circle for themselves. Then Sadiq said, I will make it with a compass. And she said, no, I will trace with the bangles. Okay, so they are cut their circles. They are tracing the circles and they cut their own circles. Now, see, my circle has a center, but where is the center of your circle? Don't worry, see how I find it. तो इसने बोला मैं कैसे करूँगी. She fold the circle into half. See, she fold the circle into half like this in a semicircle. And then she folded again like this. Again she folded in a half. She opened the folded circle. And can you see the two crease line crossing each other? Yes, he see that. And she put a point where these lines cross, and this is the center of my circle. So this way she will find out. See, I had already explained this kind of thing in a previous lecture, so please check out the previous video. Now you can trace a circle on a paper using bangle. Cut it, then find its center like Samina did. Now next is we can also make the design on the page number 88 like this. How did you do it? Okay, तो ये आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, मैंने ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है हाउ टू डू इट. Now look at the next page, page number 92. Here, balancing act. Okay, in a circle, we find out the jugglers, those who are balancing the things. So what is the trick for that? They are finding the center of the object, and you can easily balance anything when you will hold the object from its center. Fine. So that's why all the waiters are holding a lot of trays in one hand. How? Because they are holding the plates from the center, right? So that's why. Can you balance a plate on your finger? I will balance it. Okay. Oops, I will try again. It falls down. And I think I have found the center of the plate, and he can easily balance it. You also try to balance a plate or round lid on your finger. Where does it balance? From the center. We can center everything from its balance. Now spin the top. Look at here. There are some children, those who are bored. Zakir, Appu, Naina and Guddu were getting bored, and it was raining, so they could not go out to play. Suddenly Appu said, let's each make a top. Chalo hum top banate hain. Right? They took a piece of cardboard and traced a circle on it. Then they made a hole and put a matchstick in it. Now everybody was excited to spin their top, which look like this. Okay, everybody is cutting and making tops like this. Here is a top of the Zakir, Appu, Naina and the Guddu. And guess. Here there are some question answer. Whose top will not spin at all? So look at the figure. Zakir and Naina's top will not spin at all. Why? Because they are passing their matchstick nearby the circumference, not at the center. So that's why they are not spin at all. But whose top will spin a little? So that is the Guddu, because his matchstick is near by the center of the circle, so it will spin a little bit. Then whose top will spin the best? Then Appu's top is spin the best because the matchstick will pass from the center of the circle. In whose top is the stick nearest to the center? तो गुड्डू की स्टिक देखो यहाँ पे सेंटर से एकदम पास में है. Now you can make your own top, and you also make your own top and play this game to make this top spin well. Where you have to make the hole, you have to make the hole at the center of the circle. So this is it for this session. Next time we will solve the workbook. Till that, stay at your home, stay safe, stay healthy, keep enjoy learning from the lecture session. Till that, goodbye.